Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix your Tagry wireless earbuds not connecting. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you're having trouble connecting your Tagry headphones to your iMac or MacBook Air or to your iPhone. How do you actually fix that connection issue? Now I just ran into this issue myself, guys, so this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what I did in order to fix this was that I actually went ahead and grabbed both my earbuds. Make sure that the case is open, and then with the case open, you want to go ahead and hold the touchscreen pads on both the earbuds until this starts blinking red, okay? So yours should start blinking red. It only takes about like 5 to 15 seconds for it to blink red. And then once it blinks red, you want to go ahead and return it back into the case. And then what you've essentially done is that you've done a soft reset of your Tagry wireless earbuds. Now with that, go ahead and see if it connects to the device that you're trying to connect it to. If this still doesn't work, often the reason why your Tagry earbuds are not connecting to another device is because it might automatically already be connecting to a device that you've connected to previously. So what I mean by that is if I've already connected my Tagry headphones to my iPhone here and I'm trying to connect it to my iMac, once I open up the case, it might automatically be connecting to my iPhone. So double check and make sure that your Tagry wireless earbuds aren't automatically connecting to another device. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Tagry wireless earbuds not connecting. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.